Good day buyers, this is Lovely Equity Una, your PRC real estate broker. Naghahanap ka ba ng property investment in Antipolo City? Yung tipong malapit lang sa SM Masinag or sa LRT Antipolo Station. Good news! As low as 6,000 per month mo lang, makaka-avail ka na ng condominium unit dito sa Ligero Towers. Very accessible ang location. Biruin mo, 450 meters away or 8 minutes walk-and distance from LRT Antipolo Station or sa SM Masinag, nandun ka na sa condominium property mo. Napakaganda pa ng area. Along Sumulong Highway, across Meralco Masinag lang ito. Since very accessible ito, pagbaba mo lang ng condominium building ay meron ka na kaagad pwedeng masakyan. Since nasa Masinag na po siya, napakalapit niya po sa mga transportations, sa school, sa malls, sa worship and hospitals. For the building features, magkakaroon din po dito ng 2 floors for the commercial units. Ito yung perspective natin for the main lobby and elevator lobby. We also have amenities like infinity pool, wading area for kids, heated jacuzzi, dry sauna, and cold shower therapy. In case for the events, meron din kayong available function hall, roof deck amenities na overlooking po sa Manila Bay, and CrossFit gym for the unit owners. For the actual unit turnover po, ganitong magiging itsura po ng inyong unit once na ma-deliver po. Ang tawag po dito ay fully finished po, so meaning complete na po yung accessories for the toilet and bath. May tiles na rin po, painted na rin ang walls. Available din po yung kitchen countertop, yung cabinet niyo po sa kitchen, and as well as meron din pong cabinet din sa loob ng bedroom niyo po. In short, livable na po, gamit na lang ang dadalhin niyo po. At ang kinagandahan pa po ay meron kayong drying area. Plus, may balcony din po kayo. Ganito yung sample po for the elevator area ninyo and sa hallway nyo po. Diba ang ganda? Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Grab your units now. Just PM or call me at 0908-934-8046. Again, this is Lovely Equity Una, your PLC real estate broker. Invest wisely. Thank you and God bless.